My dear students, welcome back to NEET Biology 12th platform. Largest salivary gland in man is parotid glands. Smallest salivary gland in man is sublingual glands. Parotid glands are the largest salivary glands in man, and sublingual glands are the smallest salivary glands in man. Duct associated with parotid gland is Stenson's duct. Duct associated with parotid gland is Stenson's duct. Duct associated with sublingual gland is Bartholin or Rivinus. Both A and B are the right answer. Both Bartholin, or it is also known as Rivinus. So both A and B are the right answers. Duct associated with submandibular gland is Wharton duct. Duct associated with submandibular gland is Wharton's duct. Antibodies present in saliva of human is, this is very important bit, IgA antibodies. Cleansing agent present in saliva is lysozyme. Salivation is triggered by parasympathetic nervous system. Salivation is triggered by parasympathetic nervous system. Saliva is saturated with calcium. Stronger of all muscles in human body is tongue. Spoon-like organ in human being is again tongue. Largest papillae of tongue are velate papillae. Smallest papillae of tongue are filiform papillae. Papillae that degenerate in the adult human being are foliate papillae. This is very important bit. Papillae that degenerate in adult human being are foliate papillae. Papillae that have only tactile receptors and lack taste buds are again filiform papillae. First permanent teeth that appear in human are first molars. Last permanent teeth that appear in human are third molars. Number of teeth in elephant are 14. Number of teeth in elephant are 14. Number of teeth in rabbit are 28. Number of teeth in pig and horse is 44. Temporary teeth present in man are 20. Poisonous fangs of snakes are modified maxillary teeth. This is also very important bit. Poisonous fangs of snakes are modified maxillary teeth. Tusks of walrus are modified canines. Structure that fixes the tooth with socket of the jaw is periodontal ligament. Structure that fixes the tooth with socket of the jaw is periodontal ligament. So these are the bits which we have learned today. Thank you very much.